Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a super easy messy bun. I did this on my Instagram 3 years ago, which is hard to believe, and I never ended up posting it on YouTube, so I figured why not post it on YouTube. So it's a super messy bun. If you don't like messy buns, then you're not gonna like this. If you like structured, formal looking buns,
this ain't for you, sis.
So if you want a messy bun, then keep watching. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so my hair is a little messy today. I've actually had a side braid in my hair the last 2 days, so it looks a little crazy, but that's all right. I actually really love to do messy buns when my hair has a little bit of curl in it or has a little bit of texture. I don't like to do messy buns when my hair is like stick straight. I feel like it doesn't look the same. So if you already have curls in here, perfect. So you can see my hair is just kind of like medium length. It's not super long, not super thick, not super short. I would say this hairstyle works best for anyone who has hair to their shoulders or longer. So what you want to do is just make sure you have a hair tie. I'm just using this shitty hair tie. And we're just going to act like we are pulling our hair into a ponytail. So I'm just going to smooth back some bumps. And I do want this pretty high. I remember in elementary school, I did not want any bumps in my hair. If I had like the slightest bump, you guys, I would start crying. Like, I hated bumps, which is so weird. So what we're gonna do now is just take our ponytail and we're just going to spread it all around our hand. So I'm just gonna take some hair, spread it out in the front, spread it out in the back. Make sure it is even. Hopefully you guys can see. So now what I'm gonna do is just take this hand and basically grab it all into a bunch. So I'm just going to grab it, and then I'm gonna take this hand and then grab the rest of it. And then now what I'm gonna do is take my hair elastic and just tie it around. So now we just have this ball looking thing on our head, and just gonna kind of tighten it. And then basically what you want to do is just take small sections, and we are going to tuck this into our hair elastic. So that's what we're gonna do, just tuck it. So I mean, there's no like, you can do this whatever way you want to do it, but I just like to take small sections and then tuck it in. Okay, so here's what it looks like right now. If you want to stop here, you can, but I'm not going to. So I'm just going to kind of squeeze it a little bit to make it kind of tighter. And then I'm just going to bobby pin all around it to really secure it. So I'm just going to take bobby pins, like I was saying, and secure it. And then I like to just kind of pull some hair out, pull some hair up here, back here. You know, the messier, the better. This is a messy bun. So I just, oh, let me scoot back. So I just kind of like to pull it out even more after I bobby pin it, just kind of really see what we got going on here. And look how cute it looks, and such minimal effort, you know? That's the best part, minimal effort. So yeah, like I said, this is a true messy bun. So hopefully you like it. Let me know in the comments below, but I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what it looks like all around. And don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.